lot of money doing it. So the beers that I review on this channel usually come in around the $2 range. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back and thank you for returning. It's an exceptionally windy day here in Vegas, so I'm going to try to make this short and sweet. Today's selection is the Sierraveza lager from Sierra Nevada. Sierra Nevada is probably is a brewery of which I think most of the country is familiar. I think it's made itself all the way to the East Coast. One of those successful but not corporate breweries. Now this particular lager ran me $1.99 for this 12-ounce can. It is a little over 3 months old, so nice and fresh. It does have 5.0 ABV. Normally lagers, and this is the specs for American lagers, usually come in between 4.2 and 5.3 on the ABV. This has 18 IBUs. Normally American lagers come in between 8 and 18 IBUs, so this is actually on the high end of the IBU scale. Now, this does not actually describe itself as a Mexican lager, but you know, with a little bit of research, it's difficult to actually call it a Mexican lager. It doesn't call itself a Mexican lager, as I said, and so I decided I wanted to go see what the parameters were and what the characteristics were for a Mexican lager. Well, I had a whole lot of non-luck finding information out about Mexican lagers. Basically, the long and short of what I found out is that Mexican lagers were started in the 19th century by German expatriates who wanted to make Vienna-style lagers while they were there in Mexico and use local malts, and so that's what you have there, local malts and yeasts, in order to make said lagers. So that's how Mexican lagers actually started, was from German expatriates. All right, let's crack this bad boy open, see what we got going. I'm gonna pour just a bit of this because I need some weight to hold down this can with sorry, hummingbird, don't have anything for you. With this serious wind, it's too likely that my can will fly away. All right, so I'm going to show you the color there. It is, what you're seeing is about 1.5 shades darker than it truly is. Not a whole lot of carbonation, which is kind of surprising. Normally lagers are known for being full of carbonation. I've got to describe this as low carbonation. The head, as you can see there, is very flimsy, very flimsy. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if I just sat here and if I just set this glass down for about, a minute or two, the whole head was completely gone. I'm going to give it a beard wipe, see what we come across. Smell the yeast. That's basically what I smelled just then. I'm going to stick my nose deep in, see what I can come up with. Smell that lager yeast. There is just a certain distinctive smell that lager yeast has. I'm even wondering if they didn't use Pilsner yeast on this. And you know, Pilsners, if you are unaware, Pilsner is a form of lager. But this is finally getting some of the maltiness, a little bit of a biscuity smell, but mostly just that yeast, man. I'm really, really seriously smelling that yeast. So I'm going to go ahead and dig into this, start drinking, since the wind is about to carry everything away. Cheers. It's nice and weedy. I'm going to describe that as about a medium-low mouthfeel. There's a little bit of spikiness, but not a whole lot. Not noticing any sort of alcohol burn. Very wheat flavored, very, very, very wheat flavored. Lots of lots of oatiness, and almost like you just had almost like you just ate a roll or something. There's so much yeasty wheatiness, super wheaty beer. This is simple, as I said. It's not called a Mexican lager. It's just described as an easy drinking lager. And that's what this is. Now, I've never had a bad beer from Sierra Nevada. That's without a doubt. I mean, obviously some are better than others, but I've never had a bad beer. This is, this is in keeping with that. This is not a bad beer either. I am going to tell you right now, though, that it's not particularly, well, I doubt this beer is going to win any awards. It's a very standard lager. It's a nice, clean, refreshing lager, but there's nothing really particularly exceptional about it. I would give it a 3.25, but since it came in a can, it's going to get that 3.5. Canned beers always gets that extra 0.25 from me. Um, but all in all, not a bad beer. Nothing really to write home about though. Sierra Nevada has many other great beers, and I don't know. We'll see. I could see this maybe being a series that starts getting a little bit of tweaking here and there, but all in all, not a bad beer. It's just for $1.99. It's not a particularly uh, well. It's not such a great price that you have to let you say, gee, I gotta get more. So a little bit of the air starts to get to it, and it starts to nucleate a bit. I am getting almost a slight sweetness on the back end, but mostly, like I said, the yeast and honey and the wheat are what come through more than anything. So, guys, if you like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, drink good beer. Don't break the bank doing it. Cheers.